Hey guys, and welcome back to the Money Game with AC. Just want to quickly brief you on AMC stock. Actually, I'm not even showing an AMC stock. Let me go back here to my chart. Yeah, what I would consider to be a bad day. Yeah, almost 9% loss on the day is considered a bad day, especially given, I mean, markets are kind of in a tricky situation now, a tricky point. We end up almost flat either on the upside or the downside, but most of the stocks you own, or at least my stocks that I own in my portfolio, which are kind of spread around different sectors, are still continue to being hammered. Like I'm talking about 10%. I got a stock today in the crypto world that got hammered 30%. So I think the market is trying to find a direction, and AMC and all the meme stocks are kind of caught up in it because the volume is drying up. Okay, and on top of the volume drying up, you wouldn't expect, without any bad news, or because anything hasn't, nothing hasn't really changed on the fundamentals of AMC since, we've been at $14 a share, except for, shorts being shorts and continue to attack the share price. Okay, some people will tell me, the biggest investor being Wanda Group, the Chinese firm, sold 220 million worth of stocks today, but this is not really new news. For example, this is Forbes. Okay, today they published this article. Okay, and then the reason why I'm saying this is not new news is because we already knew back in mid-March, and this is the same article from Forbes saying AMC skyrockets after Chinese billionaire's firm cut stake, ushering in bullish Reddit traders. So we already knew back in mid-March that Wanda Group, cut back into the ownership of AMC stock. Okay, so it shouldn't have been something that will sustain or be behind the reason why the stock declines almost 9% on the day. This is just shorts being shorts. And as a matter of fact, if I bring this up, guys, if you look at, this is the volume from both sides. Okay, the buying pressure and the selling pressure. So the buying pressure or the buying volume is at least 3 times the selling pressure or the selling volume on AMC stock. So why the heck will this stock continue to plummet as quick as this? Because as I mentioned earlier, there is no fundamental change on AMC stock. At least that will be the reason behind such, plummeting trend. It's supposed to be the contrary, with the volume and people holding and continuing to even buy more. You will see with the numbers that we had from Godzilla vs. Kong movie box office numbers, with other numbers, other movies that are in the pipe, like, the Fast and Furious thing, Mortal Kombat, all of those will drive, those movies, people will love to go to the movie theaters and watch it. Okay, so with the price target being raised last week, everything is kind of pointing this is a brighter future for AMC. But if you go on the internet and just type AMC stock on Google, all the articles you will have there are just negative, pointing to how bad of an investment AMC is, and it's not a good play right now. But guys, I just want to end this by saying days like this are really tough, especially when you are new to the market, and even when you are not new to the market, even you have a little bit of experience like me, it's not fun. It's not fun seeing your position dropping day after day. But it's interesting to keep at the bigger picture. It's interesting to, so what I'm doing is just looking at how all the positive catalysts for AMC are not changing, especially as we get into summertime or the end of this year. So AMC is still a company I strongly believe, short squeeze aside, has strong chance to really bounce back with the whole recovery in the economy and people really trying to get back to having a normal social experience life. So based on that, guys, I will continue to hold. I'm not trying to tell you what to do. Just do what you think might be best for your own personal financial situation. But if you can afford to, continue to hold. But this is what I'm doing. All right, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.